Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 10, and name of the chapter 10 is the safety first. And yesterday I have taken revision from chapter 13, and today I will take revision from chapter 10, and name of the chapter 10 is the safety first. So keep yourself safe. First thing is keep yourself safe, and to keep safe you should must follow some rules, and you must also be careful for the safety of others. Sometimes accidents may happen due to the others, so you must also be careful for the safety of others. While you are traveling, when you travel to get a bus, stand in a queue, make a line, then only get into the bus one by one, and when the bus arrives, follow one after the other. Do not break the queue. Do not break the queue, and do not push anybody. Do not push anybody, and never board a moving bus. Never board a moving bus, and never get down from a moving bus. When it stops, then only you can come out. Never travel standing on the footboard. Do not put your hand or arm out of the window, and do not disturb the driver. Sit quietly and be good. These are the rules while you are traveling. And on the road, city and towns have a lot of traffic. We know that city and towns have lots of traffic, and there are many vehicles moving on the road, and you should be very careful on the road. Never play on the road. First thing, never play on the road, and use footpath to walk on busy roads, and cross the road at a zebra crossing. Cross the road at a zebra crossing. If there is no zebra crossing, cross the road when it is clear. If zebra crossing is not there, then cross the road when it is clear. And for crossing the road, look to your right. First look to your right, then left, and then right again. Then when no vehicle is coming, in that case only you can cross the road. And follow the traffic light signals. Follow the traffic light signals, and stop when light is red, and go when the light is green. Stop when the light is red, and go when the light is green. On the playground, when you are on the playground, do not play rough games, and do not push or pull anybody while you are playing, and do not play tricks on swings, and never stand in front of a moving swing. And be careful on a seesaw, and sitting double is dangerous. And do not play in the dark. These are the safety rules while you are on the playground. Now at home, when you are at home, which kind of safety rules you will follow? If you are not careful, accidents can happen at home too. Do not play with sharp objects like blades, scissors and knives. Then these can hurt you. Be careful while handling them. Do not play with fire. Do not play with fire. Never light a gas stove on your own. Do not go near bursting crackers. Do not play outdoor games inside the house. Inside the house, no need of play outdoor games. It can break the things and even can hurt you. And do not run down the staircase. Do not run down the staircase, and do not slide down the staircase. Do not slide down the banister, not a staircase, banister. And do not climb the window. Do not climb the windows and shelves. In all these cases, you may fall down and hurt yourself. So be careful. Do not touch electric wires and plugs. Do not switch on or switch off with wet hands. you can get an electric shock. Do not take medicines on your own. Do not leave your things lying on the floor. You may trip on them and fall. More to know. If you get hurt at home, call an adult for help. If you get hurt on the playground, ask your club player for help. And fill in the blanks. Never play outdoor games inside the house. Always use zebra crossing for crossing the road. And never slide down the banister. Never fly kites on the terrace. Do not touch electric wires and plugs. Second one is the true false. And walk anywhere on the road, false. If you walk anywhere on the road, then you can get hurt. Do not play with knife and blades, true. Zebra crossing is the name of an animal, false. We must hide our injury, false. We must follow traffic signals, true. Answer the following. Why should we follow safety rules? To keep yourself safe, we must follow safety rules. At which point should we cross the road? A zebra crossing should cross the road. What should we do if there is no zebra crossing? If there is no zebra crossing, then we can look right, then left, then again right. Then if road is clear, no vehicle is coming, then you can cross the road. What should we do if write down 3 safety rules while you are traveling in a bus? While you are traveling in a bus, then 3 safety rules you should write. To get a bus, stand in a queue. To get a bus, stand in a queue. When the bus arrives, follow one after the other. And do not break the queue. Do not push anybody. And never board a moving bus. Never get down from a moving bus. Never travel standing on the footboard. And do not put your head or arm out of the window. And do not disturb the driver. And sit quietly and be good. These are the safety rules while you are traveling by bus. So what you will do, first you will read this chapter properly, and after that question answers exercises given, fill in the blanks, true false, and exercises. So you will learn fill in the blanks. First you will write all fill in the blanks, then you will fill, and after that true false you will write all true false, then you will fill, then you can write. And this type of revision you can take in rough copy. You will take a rough copy and write all the questions, then you will write answer. So this is all about safety first while you are traveling in a bus, on the road, on the playground, at home. These are the safety rules while you are traveling by bus, on the road, on the playground, at home. So you should follow safety rules. Some safety rules are there. If you will follow these rules, then you will be safe everywhere. And so it's our duty, we should follow some safety rules while going outside from the home, and while we are traveling, and while we are on the road, and on the playground, and at home. So some safety rules are there, and we must follow these safety rules. So this is all about safety first. And yesterday I have taken revision from chapter 13. The name of the chapter 13, water. And that chapter also same way you have to do. First you will read that chapter, and all the question answers are exercises are given, and you will learn, and you will take a revision. So if you will take revision like this, then it will help you In this way you will take revision.